Arnab, allow me to come
No, I'll let you come in. Gaurav, by the way, Gaurav, 1 second. First, Abhishek Manu Singhvi. And Gaurav, today, as I said, you have come into the debate to lunge on the BJP. I think you should lunge at Azam Khan instead. Abhishek Manu Singhvi. Yes.
It's not about lunging on anybody.
Abhishek Manu Singhvi. I'm going to come to you. Abhishek Manu Singhvi.
Nobody in the BJP, Arnab, can you hear me?
Yes.
Nobody in the BJP, including Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, has the guts to even remotely or indirectly criticize either Mr. Modi or any of Mr. Modi's trusted lieutenants. That's what you are seeing. There is a broadside against anybody who expresses opinion. There is a personal motivation attributed because Amit Shah is a very treasured, valued asset of Modi. He is a very special trusted lieutenant of Modi. And there is starry-eyed Modi-itis affecting the BJP. Nobody can face facts, therefore you can't criticize Amit Shah even by implication. That's the problem. That's why two journalists are motivated, Congress is in league, and everybody else is wrong.
Exactly. It's much in the same way, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, that do you suffer from Azamitis or Mulayamitis?
You can.
Why are you? No. Why are you?
Same coin.
Why are you?
You can hardly use that phrase when I said in the
or for that matter.
Amit Shah are two sides
or for that matter.
I
have a question for Mr.
No, I have one more question. I haven't finished with Abhishek Manu Singhvi.
No, I have
one more question for Abhishek Manu Singhvi. Abhishek Manu Singhvi.
Communalism.
You said,
I just want to say
one question, Sabha. One question, Sabha.
Anam, can I say one thing to Mr. Prasad? I don't hate anyone. Mr. Prasad, I don't hate anyone. And I hope that's what I'm appealing. I don't think anyone should hate anyone.
No, that's all right. That's all. No, I don't think.
Party for so
that's
long,
all right. That's all. That's all.
Personal hatred and vendettas.
That's all right.
You know, that's not fair.
That's all right.
Whether it's my voting choice or not, I don't think that's fair.
I take your point, but Sabha, is it not a fact you are a big critic of BJP? Not for today, but for the last 20 years?
Does she not have a right to?
Tell your writings about BJP?
Okay,
Come on.
Mr.
I
Prasad.
respect your right. I respect your right to criticize my party. But for you
Mr.
telling me
Prasad,
becoming a large heart, I'm sorry, it's grossly unfair.
No,
on
but
this occasion.
1 second, Mr. Prasad.
My party is very fair. My party takes
Mr.
everybody
Prasad,
along,
with Mr.
and Muslims are the
Gaurav
happiest
Bhatia,
in the BJP
I have taken on Mr. Gaurav Bhatia as
or
much.
be it Madhya Pradesh.
1 second.
No,
1 second.
Mr.
One
Prasad, I have taken on.
Anyway, Sabha, that's not
Prasad,
necessary.
I've
I don't want to
taken
go
on
there.
Mr.
I think as an independent journalist, I think as an independent journalist, 1 second.
I respect that right.
1 minute.
I respect
Ravi
that
Shankar,
right
what
of
relevance
Sabha.
is that? What are we
But I have
discussing?
got the right to tell you
What are we
that
discussing?
Sabha,
Don't
you are a
sidetrack.
critique of BJP, yet I respect your right
Fine.
to criticize
So Ravi Shankar Prasad, just a minute, please. No journalist in India has to take a solemn vow that I henceforth, because you know the BJP may come to power or thinks it's winning in the opinion polls, we henceforth will never criticize the BJP. There is no such rule, is there? Ravi Shankar Prasad. Anyway, I'm pulling your leg.
Now you are being nasty on me.
I'm pulling your leg. Now your question is this. To Abhishek Manu Singhvi, very serious. To Abhishek Manu Singhvi.
Or no, just a minute. Or no, Ravi Shankar Prasad has fought the emergency for freedom of press. Remember that in the JP movement.
Yeah.
Therefore, for me,
We belong to emergency fighting
faith.
generation.
Sir, thank you. But I can assure you that an independent media in India is capable of fighting for itself if the need arises. My question to Abhishek Manu Singhvi is the following. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, Gaurav Bhatia, I'm coming to you. Just one question to Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who said Ravi Shankar Prasad suffers from Modi-itis. I want to ask Abhishek Manu Singhvi if he suffers from Imran Masood-itis. Because when Imran Masood made his boti remark against Narendra Modi, instead of taking action against him, you defended Imran Masood. You took zero action against him. So were you suffering from Imran Masood-itis? Abhishek Manu Singhvi.
Can I answer? I think I must agree here with Ravi Shankar Prasad that it seems like you have not done any homework at all on this one.
That's all right. Whenever the questions are difficult, then the other side puts that question.
No. Please give me just 3 sentences and you have answered your own question. Answer. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm waiting for your answer.
Yeah. Answer number 1. It was established that it was a tape 6 months earlier when he was not part of the Congress party. Two, nevertheless, roundly, comprehensively condemned by me on the podium of AICC that day, by several others, and by me again today. Roundly condemned, something much more than what is happening to Amit Shah. And number three is most important. The man suffered jail. Surely you can't compare complete opposites, complete apples and oranges. Surely there has to be some sense of balance.
Simple.
Where is the question of factual
Simple
equivalence?
point to you.
Condemned. I am condemning it again.
No,
Who is condemned, Mr. Amit Shah?
Condemn.
Since day one.
Condemn. So this is the most argument which
jail.
I don't understand.
And he said he was not in the Congress.
I don't understand.
Not in the Congress.
I don't
months
understand.
earlier.
I don't understand this argument that he said it earlier, so it's okay. We condemn it, so it's okay. So he may threaten
Don't
the worst
nitpick.
kind of physical violence. It's still okay. And Rahul Gandhi will share a platform.
Repeating it again.
Yes, Ravi Shankar
I've given
Prasad.
you three
He is
reasons.
repeating it again.
Repeating it
It is
again.
a Zameen Asman farak. I don't even compare the two.
Certainly not. Okay. Now let's
Please
go.
ask Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad about a similar condemnation of Mr. Amit Shah.
Then let's move
as
to
I have done just now for Imran Masood. I
Condemn-
repeat the condemnation. Please ask him for the same.
What you are saying?
Condemn.
That's
This
your
phony
test.
condemnation. Don't
That's
talk
your
about
test.
it.
Why
Your
just
candidate is
condemnation
repeating
of
it.
Mr. Amit Shah?
He's
Why
trying to
Don't
polarize
equivalence.
again.
Don't
In
equivalence.
Saharanpur, just go there, Abhishek, and see what is happening and what your party is doing. Trying to deliberately communalize, polarize, because you're losing very badly
I'm
in
only
entire
answering a
Uttar
different
Pradesh.
question. Let's not get
No,
into
no, but he. One sec. Can I go to?
Yes, yes,
You
yes.
didn't condemn him. That's a fact.
Arnab, can I come in now?
Gaurav Bhatia, can I ask you a question instead of wanting to come in? Does the
Arnab,
Samaj...
can I just make my opening remarks?
Okay, since you are so much on the defensive, I allow you.
I am not on the defensive. Rather, I would like to highlight why this election has become polarized and communalized. It is only because of one party, and that is the BJP. It started from Mr. Amit Shah being sent to the state of UP.
No,
There
that's
was
not
a
true.
hidden agenda, and it's unfortunate to some extent they have achieved that hidden agenda. Mr.
No,
Amit Shah
now,
in Bijnor
Arnab,
says,
let me
and
say
I'm
something
reading
to
No, no,
Mr.
Sabha, let him
Gaurav
complete.
Bhatia.
commission notice.
Just
Let me.
Sabha, let him complete his opening remarks. Yes.
I don't know why Sabha Naqvi has to jump in even when I have not completed my line. With utmost respect, can you wait for your turn? Now, in Bijnor, Mr. Amit Shah says that why is a particular party giving so many tickets to a minority community, and this community targets your community, so let's fight. In Muzaffarnagar, he calls second-rate citizens, the majorities are
Arnav,
second-rate
it's
citizens,
completely
we should
wrong.
fight
What
for
is
our
this,
rights
Arnav?
from the minority
Don't allow this
community.
debate to become
In Shamli,
communalized like
which
this.
is a riot-affected area, he says that this is time to take revenge. Now, all these three statements clearly show the hatred that they are actually spreading in the state of UP. Mr. Amit Shah has admitted to his guilt in his reply to the Election Commission, whereas Mr. Azam Khan, look at the way the constitutional body has dealt with the matter. And Arnab, this is very important. For Beni Prasad Verma, they take 5 days to decide his representation. For Mr. Amit Shah, they take 2 days. But for Mr. Azam Khan, they pass an order within 2 hours without considering even his reply.
Yes, because it should
and
not.
do
Yes,
a
yes,
common order
yes. I say
to
they
show
do,
as if
and
they are
I
balancing the
think
two
Gaurav
parties.
Bhatia, I must come in now, because for any sensible person with a heart and a basic level of intelligence, it should not even take 2 seconds to realize that what Azam Khan has said is completely unforgivable. When he says no Hindu was
Arnab,
behind the
in
Kargil win,
rule of
Muslim
law,
soldiers,
please
let me complete.
read-
Muslim
please read
soldiers
some law
chanting
before
Allahu
you start
Akbar
making such
clinched the hills
remarks.
of Kargil for
Any-
India. Kargil
any
की
order
पहाड़ियों
can
को
only
फतेह
be
करने
passed
वाले
once
हिंदू
you have
सैनिक
also
नहीं बल्कि
heard the
मुसलमान
other
थे.
side. That's the
It should-
basic principle of natural justice. You cannot violate that. You cannot condemn
Which-
somebody unheard.
which-
These are the basic principles that are enshrined in the doctrine of our doing justice. So what are you talking about
which
when you
principle?
say that any human being can pass an order even in a second?
Which
If
please
you have asked for a reply,
please
should
don't
you not
please
consider
don't
that
paint
reply
yourself
before
the
you pass an
victim.
order?
Please don't paint yourself the victim. He's a flagrantly communal man, and your party, by
Arnab,
defending
you
him,
don't decide,
is a
but
flagrantly
the court
communal
of law
party.
can decide whether that order is arbitrary or not. under the constitution also every citizen has got the right to
Sir, don't
challenge
confuse things.
orders
Don't
of the
confuse. Ravi
Election
Shankar
Commission
Prasad
of
is
India
responding.
are
Don't-
subject to
don't-
judicial
don't-
review.
don't
That
con-
legal remedy is available to us.
Don't confuse things. The Samajwadi Party cannot
you are
allege
ignoring.
differential treatment
Mr.
has been
Beni
meted
Prasad
out to
Varma
Azam Khan
is let
when the
off
fact
by
is,
the
and
Election Commission of
listen,
India,
Gaurav.
only expressing displeasure.
Listen, Gaurav, listen. Listen, please. Azam Khan has repeatedly violated the model code of conduct with his speeches and remarks at public rallies. The Election Commission notice, which, by the way, Gaurav Bhatia, it would have been better if you had read before you came on the news hour, dated 8th of April, cites three
I
such
have read it, and
instances.
let me tell you,
Three
the
such
Election
instances
Commission notice
and lists.
of the 9th says that you submit your reply till 11th 5 p.m. He submits his reply on the 11th without even considering his reply. On the 11th, within an hour, they pass an order and they do not even refer to his reply. That is my point, and there lies the violation of natural justice, which is
Arnab, can I
appealable
come
in
in
the
here?
court of law. Arnab, you are not having your facts right.
Mr.
I have the notice right.
Please,
With me.
you know something, Gaurav Bhatia? You have your facts completely wrong. You don't know your facts. You don't know your dates. You don't know what Azam Khan said in Rampur.
When was
You
the
don't know what
notice?
Azam Khan
Okay,
said
I
in
asked you.
Ghaziabad. You don't
me
know what
tell me what is the
Azam Khan
date
said
of
on
the-
April
I have
2nd.
those.
You have just come here.
I'm asked, if
You have just
have
come
the
here with a
facts
fixed
right,
mind,
answer my
and Ravi
question
Shankar
then.
Prasad is responding
what
to you.
was the date of the notice?
Don't
What was
argue
the date
legally,
of the
please.
Notice, you tell me.
You
Arnab,
argue. I
tell
don't
me
know
the
why
date
you're
of the
trying so
notice.
hard. I don't. What is the what? What is the what? You're challenging me on facts? Which fact
What
are
is
you
the
questioning?
date of the notice?
The date
And
of the
when
notice is-
expected to give the reply. You tell me the dates.
Mr. Gaurav
You clarify.
Bhatia.
Arnab, can I
no,
come
what's,
in here?
I have a piece of advice for you, Mr. Bhatia.
Yes.
Mr. Bhatia, you know this trick that some politicians play can be
No,
played
don't
on
give
some.
me
No,
any
1 minute.
advice.
1
You
minute.
just
Let
answer
me
my
complete.
question. If
Let-
I've asked you something, you please throw some light on this.
So I am. If you listen, please, Gaurav Bhatia. The problem is you don't listen. The date is April 9th. Right or wrong?
I could say the same for you, Arnab.
No, right or wrong? Am I right or wrong?
Arnab, can I come in here?
No, 1 second. Because Gaurav Bhatia, don't get unnecessarily
what?
quarrelsome. Right or wrong?
On what?
On the date of the notice
no,
dated
can I-
April 9th, listing the sections violated by him. Right or wrong? Check it. Check your papers.
Date-
Check your papers. Now,
Date of the notice is 9th of April.
yeah, so I just said that. So I
9th
was
of
right.
April.
So don't argue on small issues. You
And
can
he
quibble
was
on
asked
small
to
issues on
furnish
other
a
channels
reply.
where the anchors may not have their facts.
No,
I have
he
my
was
facts
asked to
absolutely
furnish
right.
the
Ravi Shankar
reply on
Prasad
the
is
11th.
responding to you. Ravi Shankar Prasad.
Okay, where he was.
Ravi Shankar
You
Prasad.
rightly
He
stated.
was asked to reply till the 11th. He replied
we can
before
quibble a
that
lot
notice
about the
was passed.
legalese issue. Samajwadi Party is perfectly entitled to go to the Supreme Court, to the High Court, to the World Court, to the International Court. That is their jurisdiction. I have not to advise them. But my point is very simple. As far as Azam Khan contention is concerned, you only mention about the Kargil issue. What kind of language was used against Rahul Gandhi, Sanjay Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi about their death? I don't want to repeat it, because if I repeat
Absolutely.
that, I'll be
That
demeaning
is what I
myself
wanted to
before your
point out to
viewers.
Mr. Singhvi.
Provocative in the extreme.
Absolutely, I totally
Provocative
agree
in
with
the
you.
extreme.
Shankar Prasad.
Let him complete.
And the kind,
The legal
and secondly,
Gaurav Bhatia, let them
secondly,
complete. Let them complete.
the kind
Gaurav
of
Bhatia, let
language
Ravi
used
Shankar
against the
Prasad
Election
complete.
Commission as the agent of CBI, as the agent of Government of India. What is this? Election Commission trying to divide the community. These kinds of allegations have rarely been used against the Election Commission. You can differ, you can go to the court. But in spite of that order, Mr. Azam Khan continued to deride, castigate, demean the Election Commission in publicly, and Mulayam Singh Yadav also supported him that whatever Azam Khan says has got my full approval. Everything is on tape on your channel. We all have seen that.
Mr. Ravi
Apart from the
Shankar
kind of
Prasad,
language he used.
in your
Therefore,
press conference,
if Mr.
I heard
Azam
you
Khan
say
has not
that
been
you
given
are
the benefit,
paid by the
the
order of
Election
the Election
Commission,
Commission
in
of
my
India,
view, has
then
done
it
the
was
completely
referred
right
to
thing.
Mr. Amit
They can
Shah.
go to the court. Gaurav, I'm
Mr.
sorry I
Ravi
never
Shankar
used this
just a
word.
few
You are
days ago,
junior to us. At least wait for your
Election
turn.
Commission of India.
I did not interrupt you.
No, 1 second, Gaurav.
What kind of this is that you keep on
No,
interrupting
Gaurav.
unnecessarily?
Sir,
No, Gaurav, 1 minute. Gaurav, 1 minute.